Another day, another event. Yesterday we were at the Maxon USA and we had such a wonderful event. Everybody was there. The whole staff of Maxon USA and even the CEO from Switzerland was there, Eugen Elmiger. And we were greeted by Senator Marc Pacheco and by the Mayor of Taunton, Shaunna O'Connell. And it was such a pleasure to be there. We even got a very nice tour. Moreover, Maxon is really sustainable as their building is very energy efficient as their motors are, and they have a roof fully covered with solar panels. So we felt very welcome at Maxon Motors as a great event we had, and